Click on the link below to get price. The Xtreme Outdoor Power Equipment X0471A PTO clutch presents itself as a compatible replacement part for Toro Z series lawnmowers. A PTO clutch, or power takeoff clutch, is a crucial component in lawn care machinery, as it engages and disengages the mower blades, allowing for efficient operation while cutting grass. At first glance, the X0471A model is designed to offer reliable functionality, ensuring that users can maintain their Toro Z mowers with ease. When considering the necessity of a PTO clutch, it is important to recognize its role in facilitating smooth transitions during mowing operations. A well-functioning clutch not only impacts the performance of the mower but also contributes to the longevity of the equipment. In terms of compatibility, the Xtreme X0471A is specifically tailored for various models within the Toro Z series. This intentional design focus allows for a straightforward installation process, which is particularly beneficial for those who prefer to handle repairs themselves. The unit is built with robust materials that are intended to withstand the demands of regular mower use, thus reinforcing its reliability as a replacement part. One of the notable features of the X0471A PTO clutch is its construction. It is engineered to match the specifications of the original equipment manufacturer, ensuring that it fits securely and operates efficiently. This attention to detail can make a significant difference when it comes to performance, as proper alignment and fit are essential for optimal function. When using the Xtreme X0471A, users may find the engagement and disengagement of the mower blades to be smooth and responsive. This feature can enhance the overall mowing experience, as it minimizes interruptions during operation. It is important to follow the installation instructions carefully, as a proper setup can prevent potential issues down the line. In conclusion, the Xtreme Outdoor Power Equipment X0471A PTO clutch stands out as a compatible option for Toro Z series mowers. Its thoughtful design, emphasis on compatibility, and robust construction make it a practical choice for those in need of a replacement. By maintaining and ensuring the proper function of such a key component, users can enhance their lawn mowing endeavors, contributing to a well-kept outdoor space.